Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Chapter 43. Super Trance Mahasamadhi. It was strange but true that Sri Sainatha had unfailingly predicted his death. It did take place as he had correctly predicted. Some of his most intimate devotees had been given prior information about his end by Baba himself. In our sacred land, it is a custom among the dying people to recite holy scriptures before death. It was Parikshita king who invited Vyasaputra Shukacharya to recite Srimad Bhagavad Gita for his spiritual gains. Parikshita king too knew of his inevitable end. Baba, being the Avatara Purusha, the true incarnation of God, had ordered one of his devotees called Vijay to recite regularly Sri Rama Vijaya. Vijay obeyed Baba's words and recited Sri Rama Vijaya for 7 days continuously. Vijay was exhausted with his act of reciting Sri Rama Vijaya in a non-stop manner. Baba advised Vijay to stop further reading of Sri Rama Vijaya. Gradually, Baba gave up begging alms also. He confined his activities to his mosque. He used to advise his devotees. He used to take food accompanied with Kaka Sahib and Bala Sahib Booty. But strangely, on 15th October 1918, he sent all of them to return to their respective houses. He advised them to have their dinner at home. Those who stayed with Baba were Bala Simpi, Lakshmi Bai, Nana Sahib, Bhagoji Nimurkar. Baba blessed them and then requested them to take him to Budwad. Baba took shelter on Bayaji Patel's lap. As Baba tried to sleep, Nana Sahib sensed something strange. He bought water and forced Baba to sip a few drops. Baba could not sip and gulp water. Thus Baba passed away in Shirdi. The news of Baba's sad demise took the entire Shirdi by storm. Innumerable devotees of Baba instantly thronged into the mosque. While some fainted due to unbearable grief, others wept, broke down like small children. The entire Shirdi, with thousands and thousands of grief-stricken devotees, bemoaned the irreparable loss. The death of Baba left a void in the entire country, and of course in the town of Shirdi in particular. There cropped up a controversial situation in Shirdi regarding the disposal of Baba's mortal remains. The Muslims in Shirdi demanded Baba's body. They resolved to inter the body with due rituals according to the Islamic traditions. They wanted to erect a tomb of Baba, the head of Shirdi. Ramachandra Patel did not permit the Muslims to do as they wished. Booty disclosed to the Muslim brothers the last wish of Baba. It was the last wish of Baba to have his samadhi in the Wada alone. Large number of devotees endorsed Booty's suggestion. Disagreement did not end soon. It gave rise to unnecessary and unwanted controversy and argument and counter-arguments. The next day, Baba appeared in the dream of Lakshman Joshi and said, "I am dead. Arrive quickly and perform puja and aarti." Accordingly, Lakshman Joshi much against the wishes of local Maulvis, performed puja and aarti to the dead body. Joshi turned a deaf ear to the protests of the Muslim cleric. The devotees of Baba fulfilled the last wish of Baba. His body was cremated in the Wada. It was done in the presence of the police officers who had come to Shirdi from Rohata. The district collector was officially informed about the decision of Baba's devotees. The protest by some opponents did not yield the desired result. With state honor, the body and Baba was brought to the Wada, and on the evening of Wednesday, Baba's body was laid to rest with the due funeral rituals and rites. Sri Sai Natha's body was thus cremated in the inner circum of the temple, which earlier had been constructed for the installation of Lord Sri Murlidhara Krishna. Baba Saheb Bhuti, Upasana Maharaj and Bapu Saheb Jog performed the last rituals. The public cheered Jai Sai Natha, Jai Sai Natha, Jai Ram, Jai Sai Ram, Jai Shyam, Jai Baba. The sad cries and lamentations rented the air and created a memorable sense of grief, dejection, and depression. The divine seat in Shirdi is the divine presence of Sri Sai Natha, also known as Dwarkamai. Baba must have left his corporal body to reach the heavenly abode, but his presence can be felt by all his devotees everywhere in the world. Shirdi is the Karma Bhumi of Sai Baba. Blessed are those who visit Shirdi to desire unlimited blessings of Sai Natha. End of chapter 43. Om Shri Sai Nathaya Namaha.